was a good idea, and now their VR is literally sparkling. I mean, how do you even explain this? Did you see Christmas ornament? Alright, steady hands, tiny tool ready. We're going in. Scoop, pop. Oh wow, just one piece out and it's already shining like a diamond. This ear is basically a jewelry store. More glitter. Here it comes. Slide. Tuck. Another sparkle. It's like a treasure hunt. Treasures. Craft supplies. Seriously, I feel like I should be wearing safety goggles. Look at that shot. Disco ball in here. Rainbow reflection bouncing around. Honestly, I could throw a whole dance party just looking at this ear. Who even needs a nightclub when you've got glitter ear? Piece after piece, one by one. It's only relaxing, right? Every little sparkle that comes out feels like click, sparkle, sigh, pure satisfaction. And you know what? Glitter is the gift that never goes away. It sticks to your fingers, your clothes, your hair. Thanks, Watch. Bye.